Mavado, born David Constantine Brooks on November 30, 1981, in Kingston, Jamaica, is one of dancehall's most prominent figures. Known for his distinctive vocal style, often described as a mix of melody and grit, Mavado has had a profound impact on the genre since emerging in the mid-2000s. His lifestyle, family, career, and net worth reflect his journey, from humble beginnings to international fame. Lifestyle. Mavado leads a life marked by luxury and success, having risen from the tough streets of Cassava Piece in Kingston to global recognition. He often displays his wealth through expensive cars, lavish homes, and designer clothing. Despite the glamour, Mavado stays true to his roots and frequently returns to Jamaica to connect with his community. His lifestyle, however, has been shaped by both triumphs and trials, including legal issues and controversies, reflecting the rough realities of his early life. He is known for balancing a hectic touring schedule with personal time spent with his family. Mavado often splits his time between Jamaica and the United States, where he has established a home. Family. Mavado is a family man, married to Monique Mackenzie, with whom he shares several children. He is deeply devoted to his family and is particularly close to his son, Dante Brooks. Unfortunately, his family life has seen moments of hardship, notably when his son Dante was sentenced to life imprisonment in 2021, a legal battle that greatly affected the artist. Despite the challenges, Mavado remains resilient, supporting his family through their struggles. Mavado also shares a close bond with his daughter and is often seen sharing glimpses of his family life on social media. His role as a father and husband remains a central part of his identity. Career. Mavado's career took off in 2004 when he released his debut single, Real McCoy, produced by Desika Productions. His breakout hit, Wedemadu, in 2005 solidified his place in dancehall. He gained further recognition with hits like So Special, which reached international audiences and landed him a record deal with DJ Khaled's We the Best Music Group in 2011. Over the years, Mavado has worked with renowned artists such as Nicki Minaj, Drake, and Busta Rhymes, further expanding his global influence. His distinct blend of hard-hitting dancehall lyrics and melodic hooks made him a standout artist in the genre. His albums, including Gangsta for Life, The Symphony of David Brooks, 2007, showcased his talent for blending tough street narratives with more reflective, emotional tracks. In addition to his musical career, Mavado has explored acting, appearing in the 2009 film Shadas, further showcasing his versatility as an entertainer. Net worth. As of 2024, Mavado's net worth is estimated to be around $4 million. His income comes primarily from music sales, live performances, and collaborations. Additionally, he has invested in various ventures, including real estate, which has contributed to his financial success. Despite the personal and legal challenges he's faced, Mavado remains a powerful force in the dancehall world, with a legacy that continues to influence younger generations of artists.